Welcome to the Flavor Breakdown, the place where food science gets explained simply. Ever notice how cookies turn chewier the next day? It feels like they transform on the counter overnight, but what's really happening is a quiet shift in moisture and structure. Today, we're breaking down how moisture, sugar, and starch keep transforming your cookies long after they leave the oven. From softening centers to deepening flavors, resting turns simple baked goods into richer, chewier treats your tongue can't get from a fresh batch alone. Fresh cookies come out of the oven soft, tender, and a little crisp at the edges. But leave them out overnight and suddenly they bend instead of snap. As cookies cool, the starches inside begin to retrograde, meaning they realign and squeeze out some of the water they absorbed during baking. That water doesn't disappear, it migrates into drier parts of the cookie, evening out the texture. Sugar plays a huge role too. Because sugar is hygroscopic, especially brown sugar with its molasses content, it pulls moisture from the air and brings it into the cookie. Meanwhile, the fat from butter coats the starches and slows down staling, which is why cookies don't go stale like bread. They just get chewier as moisture redistributes. If you want cookies to stay soft, store them in an airtight container with a slice of bread. The bread donates moisture, keeping the cookies tender for days. Egg yolks add chew because they're packed with emulsifiers that help water and fat stay mixed long after baking. Like and subscribe for more food explained simply on The Flavor Breakdown.